Hey my subbies, I'm here with another DIY and it's gonna be also a gift, and this gift could be for anything. It's for a guy. It could be for birthday, anniversary, Father's Day, Christmas, but I'll be wrapping up mine with birthday because it's gonna be for my husband's birthday gift. So I just wanted to show you really quick how I wrapped up the box, just in case in my last video you wanted to see it. Because in my last video that I think I just posted it, I didn't show you how I wrapped up the box. I showed you the box already wrapped. So I just wanted to show you really quick. It's super easy. You could wrap this up with any kind of wrapping paper you want. I chose this beautiful blue happy birthday wrapping paper that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and it came out just perfect, like just what I wanted. So go ahead and go get your wrapping paper that you want for what the gift that you're gonna give him. This is just to show you a little idea. Remember, you can always put your spin on it. That's why I make my videos, so you get just an idea of what I'm doing. So the first thing I did was I cut the wrapping paper and make sure you measure it to your box. And let's go ahead and get started. You can see, grab some tape. And let's go ahead and open it and tape it from the inside. So I'm going to tape it from the inside just to show you guys. And that came out really nice. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors. And what I do is I cut the corner, as you can see right now. And that came out perfect. And then I'm gonna cut it again, because obviously the edge of it was way too long. So you must cut it just so you could roll it on the inside. I'll show you right now. See, grab it and then go ahead and cut it. Make sure you leave some space so you could fold it on the inside. And that's perfect. Then what we're going to do is cut it again. You're going to cut the little corner just so you have enough space to fold it in and it won't wrinkle. You cut it like in a little square. And then you take it on the inside. Look at how perfect this came out. And then you bend that little corner. I'm going to show you right now. You're going to bend the corner and you're going to tape it. See, bend it on the inside. Perfect. And then just tape it. And it came out perfect. It allows the box to move when you close it. It won't rip. It gives it enough elasticity. So just go ahead and tape it all the way down. And I'm just going to show you this side really quick so the video won't be way too long. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the middle piece. Obviously I cut it. Then cut it again and then tape it down. Perfect. You see, just grab your tape and just tape it as close as you can to the other piece. And then we're going to go ahead and do the middle. And we're just going to fold it all the way up and bring it up and then just cut what I need to cut and tape it. And it came out perfect, the right size. Make sure you guys, when you're making these boxes, that you measure and give it a little bit more than what the measurement says, just in case you got to cut anything or anything rips. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this corner. And then I'm just going to tape it together. And actually, I'm really happy with these boxes. They're super simple. You don't have to use any glue like people say. It just makes it way worse with the glue. So don't use any of the glue. Go ahead and tape it. It looks more chicer. And with the glue, it gets so wrinkly that it looks awful. So just use the tape. The tape is perfect. And then look at how it came out. You guys, it came out perfect. And then I just, like magic, did the other side. Voila. And look at how cute it came out. Now let's go ahead and get this open and let's start with the gift. And this gift is for a guy. So I always get a guy gym shoes. So this time I picked up a good pair of sandals. The first thing that I did was I put the tissue. I grabbed this tissue from the dollar store as well. And it's a perfect blue. Go ahead and get your tissue from there. They have good tissue there. And look at, these are the sandals that I got him because I'm always getting him gym shoes. And I said, why not a good pair of sandals, you know? And these sandals are really nice. I grabbed them from the website called 6 p.m. These are in the size 9 and they have the black leather. You see the leather right there? It's really nice, and it has the stitch on. And then it has a nice, comfortable foam. So when he steps on it, it's perfect to go out in the summer. His feet won't hurt. And they're perfect for the winter when the floor is way too cold. And there you go. They were $59.99. So the first thing I'm going to add in there are the sandals. And the box is just perfect. Make sure when you pick up your box that you measure all your stuff. That way nothing sticks out. So then I have the other side open. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill it in with some goodies. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab another tissue for this side because I like to double the tissue. Make sure your shiny side is up. And there you go. And the first thing I'm going to put in there are some snacks. These are whole cashews. And I actually picked these up at Walmart. They were, I want to say, under $2. You can also pick them up at the dollar store. There's nothing wrong with that. They have some good snacks there as well. And I actually did pick some dollar store snacks. And here they are. I grabbed the Sunshine Blend. And he loves these because he loves the bananas. So they fit perfectly in my box. And then I got another cashew one. And that was perfect. And there you go. Just make sure you adjust everything so everything looks perfect. And then I went ahead and I reused this jar that I was given as a gift. So all I did was add money there in case he wants to go ahead and buy something. Make sure that all the money is facing the same side before you put it in there. Make it round like a circle. And then when you put it in your jar, it's going to expand. See? It expands. Now you could add some chocolates in the middle if you want. But I already had given him a lot of good healthy snacks that I didn't want to mess it up with some chocolates. So all I did was I spread out the money. See how cute that is? Money in a jar. I closed it up with the lid. And of course, the bottom, it was perfect. It was already blue. So I'm going to go ahead and add the jar there. And then one more gift, which are these M&Ms. I had to put the M&Ms, you guys, because even if I wanted to go healthy, I'm addicted to chocolate. And I know once he opens this basket, I get the chocolate. So let's go ahead and wrap this box up. I think it is perfect. So let's grab a tissue. You could grab any color you want. I'm going to go ahead and do the white just to cover it up. So when he opens the box, you can't see everything until you take off the tissue. And then it's like, wow. So go ahead and grab the tape. Grab the big tape. Here I am. Voila, voila, voila. And look at how perfect this came out. It couldn't have came out any better, you guys. I love it. So grab your tape and let's try to close it because it's pretty hard to close it by yourself, but just make the best of it unless you get help. And there you go. Make sure you grab the big tape and only go around it one time. That's all you really need. When he opens it, just give him the scissors or hand him a knife. That way he doesn't rip the whole box up. Uh-oh, I double taped it. I shouldn't have, and I did. So there you go. And that came out perfect. And look at you guys. I'm really, really happy with it. I think this gift in a box is a great idea. Go ahead and make your own. Make him something you know he likes.